What's going, Texas? Jesse Watson here, licensed realtor here in the state of Texas, specifically in the Fort Bend County area. And I'm also a licensed insurance adjuster. Just want to plug in real quick in the wake of, probably one of the most challenging winter storms that we've had here in the state. I know specifically in the Houston, Richmond Rosenberg area, it definitely was. There's quite a few folks that have had their pipes burst in their house. So I just wanted to plug in real quick, just kind of get some insight on some things to look at and to think about in preparation of taking care of your repairs and what have you. One of the most important things is make sure that you do everything you can to protect your property from any further damage. I know especially when you call your insurance company, that's going to be one of the things that they're going to look at, just making sure that you protected your home from anything else potentially happening. That's going to be a major thing. You definitely want to make sure you pull out your insurance policy and don't just look at the declaration page. Look through all the terms to make sure you understand exactly what's covered and what's not. So you can kind of be clear. If for whatever reason you have something that was damaged and you happen to still have receipts, gather those receipts and keep all those receipts together. So once your adjuster gets there, that'll help justify some of that cost. You also want to make sure you take as many pictures as you possibly can. Some people are fortunate to have plumbers already on the job, but there's quite a few people that are still waiting. And they're still waiting for the adjusters to come out. The insurance companies are ramping up with all the agencies that they work with to get those adjusters in line. So they are coming. And so these are some of the things they're going to be looking for. And they want to see what you know about your policy. They'll go through your policy with you. But I'm saying go through your policy yourself so you won't have any surprises. Again, take plenty of pictures. If you have receipts for any things that were lost, again, make sure you have those receipts. But those are going to be some of the most critical things that you can do for yourself in preparation and getting ready for the repairs to come. I mean, it's a challenging time, and I feel for everybody who had to go through, pipes being busted and water throughout your house. I mean, it's devastating, especially with what we've seen on the news and all that. So just do yourself a favor. Make sure you take plenty of pictures. Again, like I said, know your policy. Understand it as best you can. If you have receipts, again, make sure you take those receipts, gather them, keep them all together, so you can have all that stuff in place. So once the adjuster shows up, you'll be able to put stuff in front of them, and hopefully you can have a pretty smooth process. So wishing you the best. God bless.